Hi, Julian. I'm recording you because Mama's going to give you some food again. Whoop, whoop.
Anthony Harris, 14 years old. Good kid.
Are you ready?
Play ball well enough to go to college.
Got the bowl ready?
That's all we
He's looking at the camera like, what the hell are you doing, Mama?
In a week ago Tuesday, shot and killed outside the Wisconsin Center.
Okay, we're going to try a little bit of food. You okay? You're so excited. You're so cute. Get some light on you. Excuse Mommy's arm fat. Got a spoon for you. And Mama's going to get you some avocado. And we going to try this again, okay? This time Mommy's going to take out just a little bit because Juju... Let it warm up a bit, okay? Give you a few seconds, okay? Are you ready? You want to try this again? Can we try a little more? Oh. Dude, you went into the spoon. Let's try it again. Fingers down. No, let go. Let go, bugger. All right, listen. Try it again. Listen. You'll like it after time. Look at you. You're so cute. Mama will pull up a seat. Hi. How you doing, booger? This is Mama's bowl. This is Mama's bowl. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. How's that taste, huh? Brrr. You're eating it so he's eating it so good. You're eating it so good. Look at that smile. All right, let me bring it closer. Sorry. Okay, let's try this again. You ready? You ready for some more? You ready for some more? What's that face for? What's that face for? You know how to get messy. You know how to get messy. Messy boy. Eat it slow. You ready for some more? Good job. Good job. That yum yums. That tastes good, huh? Look at you spitting it out. Yeah? How'd that avocado taste, huh? How'd that avocado taste, huh? You want some more? You want some more? Eat it all up. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yums. You want some more? Okay. You're grabbing the spoon. You're just taking control, man. Let go. Let go. Good job. He's like, I'm done, Mama. Give me some real food, Mama. Give me some formula, Mama. Julian. Juju. Avocado face. Avocado face. Ooh, get your foot back in there. Look at his foot. Trying to get his foot up. Get your foot back in there. Put your foot back down. Look, Mama's got avocado on her shirt too. All right, want a little more? We only put in a little bit of here for you. You want a little more? You want a little more? You want a little more? He's stopping the spoon. You want some formula now? You want some formula? You want some formula? What are you gonna do with the spoon? You getting your face all dirty. You ready? Avocado face. You ready for some fun? Oh, he went for the spoon. Look at that. You saw that? He went for it. Did that taste good? Did that taste yum yum? You like it now? That's a good boy. You're eating your avocado. Look at you eating your avocado. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, too much at one time? Julian. You want some more? What are you looking at? Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. You want some more? Ooh, boop. Ooh. You want some more? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You want some more? You want some more avocado? You want some more? Look at your face. Look at your face. You have avocado up in your face, bro. Okay, I'm done laughing at you. I'm sorry. You're so cute. Okay, you want some more? You want me to clean your face? You ready? You ready for me to clean your face? Okay. All right.